And welcome back to Everyman RV. Dave Erickson here at Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake, Washington, which is about a mile west of the Washington-Idaho border. Brett's has multiple locations throughout Washington, Idaho, and Montana, selling everything from travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, motorhomes, boats, and cargo trailers. You can see their new and used inventory right now at brettsrv.com. In the meantime, here's today's feature presentation.
Hey, it's Ed here with Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake, and I want to showcase our I-265 Brinkley. This is a great model. You're going to love it. The first thing I want to show you is this 65-foot hose. What's the first thing you need when you get to your campsite? You need water. Well, now you don't even have to bring your hose. We've already included that. Then you have dump valves that are electric, so you're not crawling under your RV, pulling those valves. You stand right here and dump your valves. No mess, no fuss. I know the one thing that you want when you're coming back from a hike and you're all sweaty, you want a long hot shower. This is on-demand hot water. So if you're at a park, take a shower as long as you want. You're gonna love this. One of the cool things about this is, look at this handle. It comes down to greet you. Then you got your steps. Fold right out, so when you get to your campsite, they're clean. But I love this because it comes out to greet you. So when you're going into your RV, it's right there. The first thing you want to see when you walk in here is this bathroom. I mean, it's huge. One of the things that is great for a bathroom in an RV is this. The three things I tell people: stand in the shower, sit on the toilet, lay on the bed. Those are your deal breakers, but I'm 6'1" and I'm fine. This is so cool. I mean, imagine having a projector TV in your RV. This projector, you can project here, you can take it outside, and pretty soon you'll have an entire crowd watching TV with you on the outside of your RV. I mean, how fun is that? One of the things that we love about Brinkley is this quality. I mean, do you see any staples, any putty marks, anything? I mean, look at that caulking job. I mean, that's attention to detail. Then you go over here, and even their drawers, dovetail. How many RVs do you see that? But this is one of my favorite features that is kind of a key thing. You got a built-in trash can, and there's your paper towel right there. Hey, we're in the bedroom now, and I want to show you the coolest feature. I mean, nobody does this. Look at this. How many RVs do you know that have a basement? I mean, all your hanging clothes here, your hamper, sit down, put your shoes on, plenty of storage, and it's hidden away. Nobody will even know it's there except for you. Hey, that was a quick tour of our Brinkley I-265. I would love to show you around. Come and ask for Ed, and I'll take great care of you.
Just another example of the cool stuff they have here at Brett's RV and Marine. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman RV. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.